Hi guys, welcome back to the Village Clockmaker. I'm James. First of all, I have to apologize because there is a big confusion with between number 12 and number 13. The Making the Fusee series was 5 episodes, and I finished 5 and I thought I uploaded it to YouTube, and somehow it just disappeared. So I have no idea where it went. I can't find it. So I decided I would just do it over again. So we're back at square one for episode 5. This is the tool that we made, if you remember. And now we'll go over to the lathe, install the tool, and we'll start over again. First, if you well, you don't remember because you didn't see it, I'm sorry, but we have some witness marks on this tool that have to be lined up in order to make this just right. We set this is the center line right here. Let me get a better pointer. This is the center line of the tool, and from here to here is 2 1/4 inches. That was what our radius was set. So that's already set. Now we've got one back here that needs to be set so that we're in the center of the cross slide. Wrong one. I always get the wrong one. Okay, we're on our witness mark back here. Now, there's another, oh, you can't see that. There's another witness mark on the side here. That has to be lined up like that. And lastly, after we loosen these, I don't know why they built this way. It's really hard to get to. Okay, this is going to be our swing that we're going to cut our radius with. Like that. And lastly, we want to make sure that this is parallel, perpendicular to the work, and the center of the cutter is parallel with this at the lower end of the fusee. Okay, that's good. And lastly, we want to be sure that we lock our carriage. Here we go. I'm just going to feed this in very little at a time. We'll take a little bite. like this. We got to move this over just a hair. That's better. Taking about 10,000 each pass. You can see just the beginning of the curve now. I tried different shaped cutters on this too, and it seems like this round nose cutter is the best, gives the best finish. I'm just feeding this by hand. Whoop. I may have told you in the past that I have what they call familiar tremors in my hands. Shape like that, which is why I don't do watch work anymore. But every once in a while they'll shake when I don't want them to, and that's what just happened. I can still do clock work, most of machining, as long as it doesn't get a whole lot worse. Should be okay. Now you can see the arc beginning to develop. Come back when I finish this. It's a little boring just watching this. This is our last cut, so we're going to take 5 instead of 20. And we're going to go real slow. Grab him. That little mark, this little mark right here is not going to hurt anything, because that'll disappear when we cut the grooves. So, okay, I'll tear this down, set up the cutter, and be back. Okay, here we go. I've got to stop in here, so when I come back here, I stop. I don't go any further. That lines it up with this edge. So it's sort of a two-handed thing here. You have to start pushing this in, because this is all by hand, and you have to wait till your mark comes around on the threading dial, like that. Well, we're going to have to sharpen that cutter or do something to it. Cutter is not good. I'll be back after I resharpen. It's a little better. Still got a little bit of chatter in it, but it'll work. Essentially, it's the same thing as cutting a 12-pitch thread. It really isn't any different. It just takes a different tool. You have to have your stop in here, because it wouldn't do well at all if you didn't have that. As long as you're in the same groove every time. Very important that you hit that mark every time. With even pitch threads, you can hit any mark on the threading dial. I'll show you the threading dial when we're done here. I'll show you how it works and what we're doing. If you don't hit that mark dead on, you're going to miss your groove or your thread if that's what you're doing. It's cutting quite well. And remember, this is just just finger pressure against the end of this disc. See, our groove is getting deeper. This, with a round bottom groove, which this cutter will make, that is designed for gut. The cord that you're going to hang it's going to go to the barrel is gut. If it's a flat bottom groove, then it's a chain. And they made them both ways. Gut's a heck of a lot cheaper and a lot easier to get a hold of, but this happens to be out of a clock, out of a skeleton clock, an English skeleton clock, and it has a gut cord. So that's the reason these are round on the bottom. We're almost there. I messed the top up here a little bit when I first started, but as I said at the beginning of this is a sample. The one we made in the video that I lost is the real thing, and so this one doesn't have to be absolutely perfect. I'm just trying to show you the technique and the process. One or two more, and I think we'll be there. I'm still not happy with that cutter. Let me play with that a minute and I'll be back. That's cutting much better. Good chips coming off. I'm pushing really hard on it, that's why it's chattering a little bit. Okay, one more. Since since we did have a few chatter marks in the bottom of the grooves, we're going to take this jeweler's file and just file down the bottom, take those little chatter marks out. And it's much better. Yeah, that's much better. Okay, we're going to call that good. So that's how you make a fusee for an English skeleton clock. Whoops, that's upside down. There we are. I appreciate you watching, and again I apologize for the screw up between number 12 and number 13, but this will go up tonight as number 13, or the last episode, number 5 in the making the fusee. So thank you very much for watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe and like and share, and please comment, because I try to answer all the comments. If you have any questions or something you'd like to see, please put that in. Somebody, and I can't remember his name, asked for a video on using the pantograph machine to X out wheels. So that'll be the next one, probably next week. So thanks for watching. Bye.